So during the second day of San Antonio, we saw two important presentations that I think that solidified our treatment sequencing in HER2 positive metastatic breast cancer. And these were the primary results of DESTINY-Breast02 and the updated results of DESTINY-Breast03. What they show is that T-DXd achieves an overall survival advantage both when used in late lines or in second line. But what they also showed is that the activity of Trastuzumab deruxtecan was really outstanding in the second line, with 28 months of median PFS compared to 18 months when used in later lines, and also the objective response rate and all the outcomes were improved. And when you look at the safety, interstitial lung disease in particular, there were no fatal events when using second line, and there were few fatal events in late lines. I think in general this tells us that what the guidelines say, that T-DXd should be used in second line, is true, and this is, I think, the favorite second line for the majority of the patients. I have to say, I would still like to identify those patients that fare well with T-DM1 in second line. There is better tolerated in some way for certain side effects, and this is also why certain tests like HER2-DX might help. In the DESTINY-Breast03 trial, we saw that there was a long tail of the curve in T-DM1 patients deriving benefit from long time, and so this is probably a small population that we need to identify, but at the moment we're not able to do that, and so I believe that the majority of the patients should receive second line T-DXd. After the first line that remained unchanged since Cleopatra, there is chemotherapy, trastuzumab, pertuzumab. In later lines, right now we are really in a data-free zone. We don't know what to do because we have many potentially effective regimens, but we don't know how they perform after T-DXd, how they perform compared to each other. And something that I found thought-provoking is that both the comparator arm, the control arm of DB02 and DB03 that were T-DM1 or capecitabine with trastuzumab or lapatinib had the same PFS of 6.8 or 6.9 months, telling us that probably after treatment with pertuzumab in these modern cohorts, these regimens are not too different, and so challenging a little the Emilia trial. So we need to learn still a lot, and we're working hard, but I believe at least for the moment, T-DXd is a very solid second-line regimen. And after that, we have many active regimens. We have to understand which are better than the other. Tucatinib triplet is a great regimen, especially for patients with brain mets. We need to work hard and learn a lot, but in general, the field is very exciting.